Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 5 and today I'm going to show you how to enable and how to disable the NFC on this watch. And NFC is useful if you want to use your watch for wireless payments or maybe for connection in some cases, like for example some headphones support the NFC connection or an NFC pairing, I would say, and stuff like that. So let's get started. And to enable or disable the NFC, we need to open the settings. So press the Chrome button, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, tap on connectivity. And here we have the NFC option. Tap on it. And as you can see, my NFC is enabled, but if it was disabled, you can enable it by tapping on the switch. And to disable it, of course, you can tap on it again. And that's how you enable and disable the NFC on this watch. If you enable the NFC, you can also set up the contactless payments. So basically you can use your watch to pay in stores with your card basically. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the NFC on this watch. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.